Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make potato salad with no mayo. I'll also be using the pickled red onions from my last video, and as always, the recipe will be in the info box below. Yes, the potatoes are still hot, but by the time we're cutting all the other vegetables and adding them in, it'll cool down just enough to where I like to eat the salad, which is right at room temperature. The warm potatoes are also going to help everything marinate a little bit faster. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to leave me comments, like the video if you liked it, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.